In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder in Dropbox. Before we begin, make sure you're already signed into your Dropbox account. You'll want to be on a computer or laptop for this, as it makes navigating the Dropbox website a breeze. If you're sticking with your mobile device, you may notice some differences in the layout, but don't worry, the steps are essentially the same. Now let's start by heading to Dropbox.com. Once you've signed in, you'll notice the main dashboard with numerous options on the left-hand side. From there, click on All Files. This is essentially your Dropbox storage hub, showcasing all your files and folders neatly. Take a moment to search for the specific folder you wish to delete. It might help to scroll through or use the search function if you have a large number of files. Once you've located the folder, don't rush in just yet. Move your cursor over the folder name and you'll see an ellipsis or 3 dots appear to the right. Now these 3 little dots are quite important. They're your gateway to several actions you can perform on this folder. So go ahead and click on the ellipsis. A drop down menu will appear giving you a variety of options. Among these options you'll find delete. It's important to check that this is truly the folder you want to remove because once deleted, it's moved to the Dropbox recycle bin and you'll need to restore it from there if you change your mind. Click on delete and you'll likely receive a prompt asking you to confirm this action. This is a standard procedure just to ensure no accidental deletions occur. Click delete again to confirm your choice. And there you have it. Your folder is now deleted. If you ever change your mind or delete something by mistake, remember that Dropbox does have a recycle bin where items are stored temporarily after deletion. You can always pop over there to recover deleted items if needed. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring you maintain control over your files and storage space. If you're sharing folders with others, remember that deleting a shared folder will remove it from everyone's view, so it's always good to communicate with collaborators before taking action. I hope you found this guide helpful. With just a few clicks, managing your Dropbox account is easy, freeing up space and organizing your files exactly how you need them. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and tutorials.